Hi, I'm really excited. Our equipment came in today that has to do with how we're going to be doing some of these quick podcasts, because you all know as well as I do that when we are in our workshop, we're at peace with our God, we're working, we're content in what we're doing, whatever it is we're at peace with. Sometimes the greatest ideas come to our heads. And a lot of inventions, I personally believe, have come to fruition that way. And this is what I call problem solving. And I think that this is one of those situations where I thought to myself, well, you know, I'm sitting in the shop, I'm thinking I thought this would be a good topic to talk about. So what I want to show you today is, and we have a twofold thing. I want to show you the equipment that I got and how I set it up, and I'm going to pause the video and set it up and then show you. But I'm going to show you and turn it around now. I'm going to pause it. Okay, I pause and turn the camera around. Now in that little box is our next thing, the stuff we've been waiting for, and I want to show you. I'll open it up. And I'm not using any lighting or anything, but everything in this little box, I'm going to show you the rig that I set up and kind of put together that was based off of what Amazon is. And I personally think that if you guys are into model railroading and you need a good camera setup or rig that has good lighting, because lighting is 90% of this game basically for the cameras to focus and get your quality bokeh shots, then I think you may want to get into this. I can list the parts in the description on this video. But I'm going to pause the video now and set it up for you. Okay, so I set it up, and now I'm going to put the phone in this. It's a Samsung Ultra S24, and it's got the lights and everything, and I'm using a wireless mic on the phone. I'm going to show you all that, but I won't be able to show you once it's set up because it'll be in the rig. But this is what we're going to be using for our quick-minded, we're in the shop, we need something, you grab the case, throw this thing together, and I think it's just beautiful. I think you guys are going to love it yourself, and I think you shall get one myself, but that's up to y'all. But anyway, I'm going to show you the quality now and the sound quality that this thing gives. But this is not what the video is about. It's about something else. This is my excitement because this came in today. All right, well, here it is with the new setup. It's running. And it's got the one light on the side. I'm getting another one for the other side, and I have one in the middle that I can turn around and show cameras with. I personally, I'm going to have to splice this video because I ended up shutting it down when I went ahead and did this. But I personally think this is a great setup. I can go high, low, I can turn around, I can follow you. It's just great. Okay, now that we're set up and we're in our video mode, the idea is this. We've been getting a lot of good reviews on these products that we've been selling as tools for the N gauge, HO, and Z gauge, and even that's pretty much the 3 gauges. We have done Z, N, HO, and O gauge, but O gauge we don't do too much of because it's just too stinking big. But we did make a track cleaner for it. The tester we tried, we just couldn't get the polarity on the 3rd rail to work. We had problems with it, so I gave up on it. But the HO and the N scale have light testers. They all have a cleaner, and the light uncoupler works with the Kato and with the newer ones with the little brake lines in them. I'm not sure what they're called. Not the Kato. They're called the Arnold. I think the very first ones with the little black box in them. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not on the technology on that. But anyway, the idea was this. Okay, and this came from the reviews that Lindy was getting in her store. We would like you to go ahead and review one of our products. Now we're going to have some criteria, and I'm going to put the email to get a hold of me or Lindy in the description of this video. But we would like you to review our products. And if you meet our criteria, we'll give it away to you. And so we can talk about that later. But this would be a chance for anybody who wants to look at our stuff and test it out and make a video of it and help us out, grow the channel that way, and tell your club members and tell everybody else. We've been getting some really good reviews on some of this stuff. I mean, some people are saying like this changed their entire viewpoint on their layout when they had these little tools. So, but we want to give you the chance. Now, right now, we're not going to do buildings and all the other stuff. We're just going to stick to tools. So that would be, like I said before, in those gauges. So, comment, tell us about what you think about this, and if you're interested, contact me through my email or Lindy's email, and we'll tell you what the criteria is so that you can meet it so that we can give you the item for a review. I think that'd be really neat. That way, we can have you help us reach our goals. And our goals are to get the word out that we have some really good stuff. We want to share our knowledge with you, and we want to have good equipment to make good videos. So thank you. Blessings to you on this Sabbath, the Purim moon that I took videos of. Maybe I can share that with you in the end of this video, because I did a time lapse with my Seastar S50, and I've been having a blast with that thing too. Anyway, if there's something you want to talk about, hear about, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share, and keep informing us what you want to see in these videos. Blessings, and thank you so much. And I really do have to say, I love this rig.